family. Pack your bags. We're going to Hawaii this weekend.
What? Hawaii? That's my dream.
Seriously. Aloha. Baby, I'm already feeling the sunshine.
I'm packing my swimsuits right now. Taxi's here.
Come on, sweetie. Let's go.
Hawaii, here we come.
Good morning. May I see your passports and tickets, please?
Of course. Here they are.
Thank you. Everything looks good. You're flying to Honolulu today, right?
Yes, we're so excited.
It's my first time on a plane.
Ah, that's wonderful. You're all set. Here are your boarding passes. Your gate is B12.
Let's go, Team Hawaii.